In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take Amazon Prime membership. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can review the available plans and choose the one that fits you. Prime gives you access to fast shipping on eligible items, Prime Video for movies, TV shows, and live sports, plus other perks that may vary by region. Let's walk through it clearly and at a comfortable pace. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Prime Video website, the official place to watch movies, TV shows, sports, and live TV with a Prime membership. Make sure you're on an official Amazon or Prime Video domain for safety. If you're prompted to sign in, use your existing Amazon account. If you don't have one yet, you'll be guided to create an account before continuing. Being signed in ensures you see the correct options and pricing for your location. Once you're on the site and signed in, look toward the upper right corner of the page and click on Account and Lists. On some layouts, you may need to hover your mouse to open the menu. On mobile, it may appear within the main menu icon. The wording and placement can vary slightly by country, but it's usually near the top right. From that menu, select Prime. This takes you to Amazon's Prime Hub, where the core benefits are summarized and where membership options are managed. On the Prime page, click Explore Other Plans. This is the key link that reveals your available plan choices. Here you can compare monthly and annual options, and in some regions you may see student or discounted plans. Prices and benefits can differ by country, so take a moment to read the details. If a free trial is available, you'll see the terms clearly stated. It's a good idea to note whether the membership auto-renews and the renewal date so you're not caught off guard later. A few helpful tips as you review. Make sure your payment method on your account is up to date so there are no interruptions. If you're on mobile and don't see the Explore Other Plans link, switch to a desktop browser or use the desktop site view. If the page looks different, that's normal. Amazon refreshes its design periodically, but the Prime option will still be accessible from Account and Lists. That's the process. Go to Prime Video, open Account and Lists, choose Prime, and then click Explore Other Plans to view the membership options available to you and proceed from there. Enjoy your new benefits once you're all set.